As we look at section 2.6, we're kind of transitioning out of solving equations directly for a value, and we're moving to solving equations for a specific variable. So what we're going to be seeing tonight is a number of equations that have different variables in them, and you're going to be asked to solve for one of the 3 or 4 variables by manipulating the equation in such a way to get rid of everything else that's on that side. Now, on this first one, we're asked to solve for b. So, here's our b value, and we're going to try to get rid of the 1/2 and get rid of the h. To do that, let's first get rid of the 1/2. To get rid of a fraction, we multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2/1. Now, I've first written the 2/1 out front just so we don't forget what we're doing. And I'm going to recopy the remaining portion on the inside of the parentheses. 2/1 times a is simply 2a. 2/1 times 1/2 leaves us with b times h. Now we analyze again and we say we have to eliminate the h. It's multiplied times the b. So I'm going to divide both sides by h. That gives me an answer of 2a over h equals b. And that's how we're going to solve that as we work through these. Let's take a look at our next one. Y equals 4x minus 3. Here we're asked to solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the minus 3. To do that, we add 3 to both sides. And we're going to work on the vertical method here, keeping our equal sign straight up and down. So y plus 3 equals 4x. Now, we need to get rid of the 4 that's multiplied by the x to get the x by itself. So we divide both sides by 4. This gives us an answer of y plus 3 over 4 equals x. In each of these cases, we've undone the problem by reversing the multiplication or addition or subtraction from the problem above. Our last one, we're trying to solve for y. Now you may say that could be hard since there is no y. That's because it looks to be a typo, and so let's stick a y value in there. 4y plus 3x equals 7. Now, to isolate the 4y, we want to get rid of first the 3x. So, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. What's left on the left is just 4y. What's left on the right is negative 3x plus 7. We're always going to try to leave our x's in the front when we have problems like this, and not say 7 minus 3x. You could do that, but it's not necessary. We're going to finish the problem by dividing both sides by 4. That leaves us an answer of y equals negative 3x plus 7 all over 4. Make sure you have a large fraction bar there. Now, an alternate answer might be written like this, by dividing each part by 4. Negative 3/4 x plus 7/4. Neither the first answer nor the second answer is either right or wrong. They are both correct in their own way.